So this is how I make my bean burrito wrap. I have Texas Pete hot sauce, sour cream, cheese, yellow rice, red beans, and black beans. Okay. Um, what I do is I do the sour cream first. I spread it around a little bit. And then next you're going to see me put some hot sauce in just to spice it up a little bit. There. And then I'm going to mix the sour cream and the hot sauce up. Then after that, I will be putting cheese, sprinkle some cheese on top of the sour cream and the hot sauce. That's just me doing now. And then after that, I'm going to grab the yellow rice. I'm going to spread the yellow rice on top for the next layer. And then after that, I'm going to grab my red beans. I did drain my red beans a little bit, but I think that I shouldn't have. So next time I will keep them not drained. If that makes sense. I did not drain my black beans. I did season. Well, first I drained my beans from the water it comes in, rinsed them off, and then I put more water in there. And then here you see me spreading some more cheese. I did season my beans with salt and pepper. That's all I did. And then here you just see me, wrap it up. And then these are the beans that I used. Thank you for watching.